Welcome back to Droppy, the channel where we break down the latest airdrops and crypto opportunities. In today's video, we're looking at Humanity Protocol, a project that's redefining how we prove identity online while protecting user privacy. Humanity Protocol is building a decentralized identity system designed to eliminate bots, protect real users, and restore trust on the internet. It allows users to prove they're human using biometric data like their palm print, all while maintaining privacy. The mission is clear: to create a digital world where every person can prove their humanity, protect their identity, and take part in the online economy without sacrificing privacy or control. The vision is long-term. Humanity Protocol aims to give users full ownership of their identity, enabling secure interactions both online and in the real world. Instead of relying on centralized systems or traditional logins, Humanity Protocol uses privacy-first technologies like zero-knowledge proofs and on-chain identity. With just your palm, you'll eventually be able to log in, verify identity, join online platforms, access physical locations, and make secure transactions, all without giving up your personal data. The protocol is built on three core ideas. 1. Privacy by design. Humanity Protocol puts people first, protecting your identity from the ground up. 2. Real-world application. This isn't just for web apps. It's made for physical spaces and daily use. 3. Seamless integration. It's designed to plug into existing systems and scale across industries. Here's what Humanity Protocol is aiming to accomplish: reduce bot activity on major platforms by 90% by the year 2030. Reach over 1,000 platforms and 100 physical spaces globally by 2027. Transition to full decentralized governance by 2026. Publish over 50 research papers focused on identity and privacy by 2027. For early supporters, this project represents more than just airdrop potential. It's a chance to take part in building the infrastructure for a more trustworthy internet. And yes, users participating early could benefit directly from upcoming airdrop campaigns tied to the Humanity ecosystem. If you're interested in real digital identity, privacy, and long-term Web3 value, Humanity Protocol is one to watch. Stay tuned here on Droppy, where we'll keep you updated with any airdrop dates, instructions, and how you can qualify. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a drop.